Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. This week I've got a treat for you. Actually, it's multiple treats. I combine multiple flavors, put them into one sheet cake so that you can pick and choose your treat. Depends on what mood you're in. I call it the multi-treat sheet cake. Want to see how this works? Come follow me along. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's add 4 eggs to a mixing bowl. Separate the yolks and whip up the egg white. We're going to add a cup of sugar into the egg white. Mix that up. Now we're going to add the egg yolks into the egg white and mix that up. We're going to sift in 2 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Half a cup of room temperature milk. And we're going to fold that in. Pour that into the cake pan. 1 9x9 cake pan. Put that into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to get the icing ready. 2 sticks of room temperature butter. About 3 ounces of cream cheese. Mix that up a little bit. 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. Mix that up properly. Use a spatula to finish that up. Now we're going to separate the icing into 2 separate dishes. And we're going to convert one to chocolate using cocoa powder. I eyeballed this. Set that aside. Cake's about done. There you go, folks. Take it out and put it on a cookie sheet. Flip it over. Slice off the top so you have a flat surface. Flip it over. Now we're going to make the holes with the bottle cap. I recommend using a metal one, folks. This plastic one was a little bit tough. Plus, if you use a metal one, you'll probably avoid this process here of cutting it out a second time with a knife. Now let's dig out the treat holes. And we'll fill up the treat holes now. Fill 3 of them with Nutella. 3 of them with strawberry jelly or jam, and 3 of them with whipped cream. Now put the plugs back in, take a little bit of the cake off first, and then top them all off. Time to ice in the cake, folks. We're going to flip it around. We're going to put it on some parchment paper. And we're going to trim off the edges of the parchment paper. We'll use that later, you'll see. Let's icing the sides with some vanilla icing. And now the top. Layer of parchment paper so we can get a clean edge. Chocolate icing. There you go. Parchment paper. Vanilla icing. There you go. Chocolate icing. Caramel syrup. Top that off with coconut flakes. Strawberry jam on top again. Bananas. Caramel syrup. Set that in the refrigerator and let that cool off. Look at that, folks. Your pick. What do you want? Chocolate? You want strawberry? Or do you want whipped cream? Oh yeah. Divine. The best part is, if I'm in the mood for chocolate, I can have chocolate, or I can pick strawberry, or I can pick a whipped cream dessert. Totally awesome. Thanks for watching my video this week. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I know I enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Remember to go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. Have a great week.